Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making sure devices can see each other on the network, because discovery depends on the same Wi-Fi. First, enable Airplay on the Apple TV under Settings and check that Airplay is set to on. Then, wake and unlock your iPhone or bring your Mac to the desktop. You must be at the device you'll stream from. Once done, open Control Center on iPhone/iPad or look for the Airplay icon in the menu bar on Mac to start selecting your Apple TV. You'll now choose the Apple TV from the device list so the stream can begin. On iPhone or iPad, pick Screen Mirroring and tap your Apple TV name. On Mac, select Airplay in the menu bar and choose Mirror or Use as separate display. Make adjustments. Pick Optimal Resolution and set audio output to the TV. If a code appears on the TV, enter it on your device. This prevents unauthorized connections and explains why that step matters for security. To finish, stop Airplay from Control Center or select Turn off Airplay on Mac. You can also press Menu on the Apple TV remote to end a session. If playback stutters or lags, move both devices closer to the router, switch to a 5 GHz network, and disable heavy downloads. Those steps reduce interference and explain why network quality matters. If you still can't connect, restart the Apple TV and your streaming device. That clears discovery caches and often resolves code or pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.